Welcome to Implementing Integrations with ServiceNow, part of our Best Practices series. In this video, you'll learn what an integration is and how it can deliver value to your organization. You'll learn how you can prepare to implement integrations with ServiceNow, and you'll leave this video armed with a list of actions you should take before your next integration project. Let's start by defining integration. An integration is a data exchange between two or more systems. Integrations are essential to implementing digital workflows and creating seamless user experiences. ServiceNow integrations support three use cases. Process integrations move data across systems to facilitate a process, like sending ServiceNow records to Jira to support development process. UI integrations present public web information within the Now platform, such as displaying weather forecasts. Data integrations enable data sharing, such as viewing demographic HR data, like titles or managers, within the platform. The rest of this video focuses on the steps you should take to prepare for your next integration project to make it more efficient. Let's dig in. The most critical preparation step is defining your goals for the integration. What is the business outcome that you are trying to achieve, and what value will the integration deliver? Determine what workflows you want to deliver via integration, and what data must be exchanged across systems to support your end goal for integrating. For example, if your goal is to speed up software provisioning, consider what processes and data are needed for approvals and provisioning software. The second step is identifying who needs to be involved. You need the right stakeholders for two reasons. First, to define the integration needs for the business. And second, to support the design and implementation of the integration. Your core team will include system admins, integration experts in your org, EA reps, certified partners, and ServiceNow teams. However, integration efforts often overlook other key players like process owners and platform team members, who are critical to the success of the project. Process owners should work with technical teams to bring the right context and to help them inform design decisions. They ultimately validate the usefulness of an integration. Additionally, during design and implementation, do not overlook stakeholders like data architects, security, and subject matter experts, as they provide a critical perspective to managing technical risks appropriately. The third step is to research integrations technologies. Start by understanding the various ServiceNow technologies, their use cases, and pros and cons. For example, consider the benefits of using a REST API over SOAP, JDBC, or LDAP for specific use cases, or whether you can use web services, which generally offer more flexibility. It's important to consult your EA and security teams to figure out which technologies might work best at your organization. Doing your homework early on will fast-track your configuration. We recommend you start by looking into integration options available on the ServiceNow Store and Integration Hub. You can find information on these in ServiceNow's product docs. The last step is to gather technical details. Start with network requirements and determine how systems will talk to each other. List all the systems in scope, understand the options to connect these systems, and flesh out any security needs. Next, understand data format and quality, how it will be packaged, and if any transformation is required. Lastly, think about when you will need data to be shared across systems. Do you need data to be synced in real time, or can it be updated in batches? Will you need to transmit full files, or just change-only files? Involving the right players we discussed before will make it easier to gather all these details. There are three insights we want you to remember from this video. First, think critically about what you need to accomplish via integration. Consider how work should flow post-integration, and what data will be needed to facilitate it. Second, streamline your implementation by involving the right players early. And don't forget about process and security owners. Third, you can save a lot of time by gathering high-level technical requirements before kicking off your implementation. So, what should you do next? First, take time to review the resources we have on the Customer Success Center. These materials will give you more details on how to implement ServiceNow integrations. Then, as you think about your next integration project, identify key stakeholders and gather technical details ahead of the implementation kickoff. For more information or advice, contact your ServiceNow team. Thank you for watching.